Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch rows and columns in Excel. So open an Excel sheet first. Here I can see there is an option, there is a table. So let's say I want to swap this B to C column and C to B column here. So for this, what I'll do is just simply click on uh, the header cell, and I will hold the left key in the mouse and select this whole data. And as you can see, if I go to this edge, there is a 4 arrow sign. So I will click on the shift button, or I will hold the shift button and drag it to this point. Then it will be switched. So let's try. As you can see, it's switched. So do the same with the pointer tool, with the rows tool. Let's say I want to switch from 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. What I do is just simply keep my cursor here and hold the shift button and go to down. As you can see, it's done. I have to just keep in mind if this four arrow pointer is appeared or not. Whenever it will be appeared, I have to simply drag and down, or drag and go to this upper section to switch between the rows. So this is how you can switch between the rows and columns in Excel. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.